Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make a replicated animation montage. So when I play the animation on the server side, it is play on the server side and client will also see that animations. And when I play the same animation on the client side, it is also played on the client side and the server will see the same animation from there. So let's build it from scratch. I am in the default Unreal Engine third person template, and first I go in the BP third person character class. On here I search simply any keyboard key and I will search for a U keyboard key. On here first I simply play an animation montage. So simply play any montage and I will play my anim montage on here. I compile and save. So when I play the animation montage, this one is a server side and other one is a client side. So when I play the animation, you see it is play on only on the server side, and when I play the same animation on the client side, it will play on the client side. So it is only placed locally. Other plate cannot see it. Means it is not replicated across the network. So now we make some custom events on here to make it fully replicated. So first we understand the concept. In multiplayer games, client don't have authority to tell everyone else what to do. That's why if we simply play the montage locally, only that machine will see it. So on here, just we make a custom event, add a custom event, and we will name it server play montage. We will make it replicate type to run on the server. So when creating on the run on server event, this allow the client to send a request to the server. Or even simpler, this makes sure the server knows that the player wants to play the montage. So on here we will make another custom event and we call it multicast play montage, and we will set its replication type to multicast. So why on multicast event? When the server receives the request, it needs to tell every connected player to play the montage. So that's where the multicast events from it. So where we connected the play animation montage, we will disconnect that pins and we will connect that pins on the multicast event. And on the server play animation montage, we will connect that multicast event. Multicast play animation montage. And now on a U key, we will play server play animation montage. So after connected multicast to server, a multicast event run on the server and it is automatically executed to all connected clients. So this makes perfect for things like animations, effects, sounds that everyone should see it. So now we compile, save that, and now when we play the animations and number of players in true and that mode is play as a listen server, and when I play the game, so when I play the animation on the server side, now it is replicated and it is also seen on the client side. And when I play the same animation on the client side, now it is being played on the client side and server will also see it. Means the animation is replicated correctly. So when one player trigger the animation, both the server and client will see that the same animation. So that's all for this tutorial. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.